Hold your breath, history enthusiast. We have breaking news. The ancient city of Mugadishu has just revealed an incredible secret. Archaeologists, in a thrilling turn of events, have unearthed a Quran centuries old and preserved in time. This is not just an archaeological discovery, it's a leap into a past that's been waiting to tell its story. The anticipation is palpable, the excitement infectious. Just imagine the tales this ancient manuscript could tell. More on this intriguing discovery following the break. Scene script. Welcome back. It's time to delve into the heart of the discovery. In the heart of ancient Mugadishu, a city steeped in history and rich in cultural heritage, archaeologists have unearthed a remarkable find that has sparked excitement and intrigue. They uncovered an archaeological site, a location that had laid undisturbed for centuries, patiently holding onto its secret treasure. Picture this, a labyrinth of structures weathered by time but still standing strong. The archaeologists had to navigate through narrow alleyways and climb over remnants of walls that were once part of grand buildings. It was within these very walls, beneath layers of dust and debris, that they found the Quran. The conditions under which the Quran was discovered were far from ideal. It was buried deep, encapsulated in a protective casing of hardened soil and rock. The archaeologists had to work meticulously, ensuring they didn't damage the precious artifact. Every brushstroke, every gentle scrape of a tool was a part of the painstaking process of uncovering this historical gem. The Quran itself was in a remarkable condition, given its age. The archaeologists estimate it to be centuries old, possibly dating back to the golden age of Islam. The parchment was brittle, the ink faded, yet the calligraphy was still discernible. Each page told a story, not just through the sacred words inscribed on it, but also through the marks of time that it bore. The worn edges, the subtle discoloration, each minute detail a testament to its long journey through history. The age of the Quran, its condition, and the circumstances of its discovery all contribute to the profound significance of this find. It paints a vivid picture of the past, providing invaluable insight into the religious and cultural practices of the time. This discovery has left archaeologists and historians on the edge of their seats, but what does it truly mean? The discovery of this Quran is more than just a find, it's a key to the past. Let's delve into the historical significance of this artifact. Ancient Mugadishu, a bustling city-state on the Horn of Africa, was a nexus of trade and culture, a melting pot where Arab, Persian, and African influences intertwined. Islam was a significant part of this mix, shaping the city's culture, politics, and society. The Quran, unearthed in Mugadishu, is believed to have been transcribed in the 10th century, a period when the city was flourishing as a commercial hub. This suggests that Islam had already established its roots in the region, possibly brought by Arab and Persian traders who frequented the city's bustling markets. Islam's role in Mugadishu went beyond the spiritual. It played a crucial part in the formation of the city's social and political structures. The Quran, as the holy book of Islam, was not merely a religious text. It was a guide to life, a reference for legal and moral judgments, and a source of wisdom and guidance. The discovery of the Quran in Mugadishu is an affirmation of the city's rich Islamic heritage during this period. The Quran's presence also indicates that Mugadishu was part of a larger Islamic world, connected through trade routes and shared faith. This connection would have facilitated the exchange of ideas, goods, and knowledge, contributing to the city's cultural richness and diversity. The discovery of the Quran also provides an insight into the early spread of Islam in Africa. It challenges the oft-held notion that Islam was a latecomer to sub-Saharan Africa, suggesting instead that it was already a significant influence in the region as early as the 10th century. It's a discovery that not only rewrites the history of Mugadishu, but also gives us a glimpse into the early spread of Islam in Africa. Now let's turn our attention to the Quran itself. This Quran, unearthed from the depths of ancient Mugadishu, is truly a marvel to behold. Its physical characteristics alone are enough to make any historian's heart race. Imagine, if you will, a book of considerable size. The pages weathered yet surprisingly resilient considering their age. The parchment, made from animal skin, is thick and coarse to the touch, reflecting the techniques of papermaking prevalent during its creation. The script, in classical Arabic, is rendered meticulously. Each letter, each word is a testament to the painstaking effort and dedication of the scribes who penned it. The calligraphy is striking, a beautiful blend of Kufic and Naskh styles, indicating the influence of diverse Islamic cultures. The script is bold and clear despite the passage of time, which has only added a patina of antiquity to this remarkable artifact. The condition of the Quran is surprisingly good, given its age and the circumstances of its discovery. It is mostly intact, with only minor damage to some pages. The ink, made from soot and oil, has faded in parts but remains discernible. The binding, though worn, still holds the pages together, a silent testimony to the craftsmanship of yesteryears. Perhaps what's most intriguing about this Quran are its unique aspects and anomalies. For instance, some verses appear to be written in a different hand, suggesting the involvement of multiple scribes. Moreover, marginal notes are found throughout the text, providing fascinating insights into the interpretations and thought processes of those who studied it centuries ago. This Quran is indeed a treasure trove of historical insights. But what does it mean for the present? A discovery from the past can often have ripple effects into the present and future. The unearthing of this Quran in ancient Mugadishu is no exception. This relic, steeped in the rich tapestry of Islamic history, offers a fresh perspective on the cultural and religious landscape of Mugadishu during its historical zenith. It reinforces the city's significance as a vibrant hub of Islamic scholarship and culture. But it's not just about revisiting the past. This discovery also has the potential to reshape our understanding of the present. It underscores the deep roots of Islam in East Africa, a narrative often overlooked in contemporary discourse. It provides a tangible link between the past and present, bridging the gap between the historical narrative and the lived experiences of modern-day Somalis and Muslims worldwide. Moreover, this find could very well be a catalyst for further archaeological exploration. It's like a tantalizing whisper from the past, beckoning us to delve deeper into the sands of time. It could encourage scholars and archaeologists to undertake more research in Mugadishu and other parts of East Africa, unearthing more pieces of the historical jigsaw puzzle and bringing us closer to a comprehensive understanding of the region's history. Perhaps more importantly, this discovery underscores the importance of preserving historical artifacts. It highlights the need for careful and respectful handling of such artifacts, ensuring they continue to inform, inspire, and engage future generations. This is, after all, our shared heritage, a testament to the rich tapestry of human civilization that transcends borders and time. So, as we marvel at this ancient Quran, let's remember its implications. It's not just an artifact from the past, but a beacon illuminating our path into the future. It's a gentle reminder that history is not just about the past, but also about how we understand our present and envision our future. Indeed, the echoes of the past are still reverberating in the present. As we wrap up, let's reflect on the magnitude of this discovery. Unearthing an ancient Quran in Mugadishu is not just a find of an old artifact. It's a revelation that carries significant cultural and historical implications. It's like a time capsule offering us a glimpse into a past era, shedding light on the religious, social, and cultural nuances of that time. This discovery is a compelling reminder that history is not static. It's a living, breathing entity that continues to evolve as we dig deeper into the sands of time. The discovery of the Quran in ancient Mugadishu not only enhances our understanding of the historical narrative, but also enriches our perception of the world. The excitement this has stirred in the archaeological and historical communities is palpable. Scholars, archaeologists, and historians across the globe are eagerly dissecting this discovery, piecing together the puzzle of our shared past. It's a testament to our unending quest for knowledge, our inherent curiosity to understand where we come from, and the stories that have shaped us. In essence, this discovery is not just about uncovering a Quran, it's about unearthing a piece of our shared heritage, a slice of human history that helps us better understand our collective past. And as we delve deeper into this find, we continue to unravel the intricate tapestry of our history, one thread at a time. Stay tuned for more updates on this historical discovery as the past continues to unfold in the present.